So what crop? Let's make pad thai. What I love about pad thai is that your taste buds pretty much get everything. It's the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory. Jam-packed with the crunch, the noodle is chewy, bouncy. อร่อยมากครับ
Alright, let's get started. Soak your pad thai rice noodles. Next, prepare your ingredients. Some of the ingredients may be hard to find, no worries. Use what you have. I will also list all the measurements and ingredients in the comment section. On medium-high heat, add your palm sugar to pot or pan. We want to melt this down. Keep stirring until your palm sugar melts, then add some water so it doesn't burn. Next, add in your tamarind and fish sauce. Stir until it dissolves and set aside. Next, on high heat, add vegetable to pan, followed by sauteing your minced garlic and shallots. Once fragrant, add in your choice of protein. Next, add in your dried shrimp, which is optional. Continue to stir as you go. Next, add in your fried tofu and your rice noodles. Give it a stir, then add in your sauce. Toss and coat all the noodles for the next 3 to 5 minutes. Be sure to get all that sauce in and work it in. Separate, coat, and toss. Next, add in your eggs. Let this cook for a few seconds, scramble them, and combine and toss. Add in your bean sprouts, your radish, and chives. Toss and combine, turn off the heat, and we're done. Serve this with crushed peanut and a side of lime. Follow for more.